I am from Gaugrass Maths. I shall explain question number 18, exercise 6.3. For the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5, comma, find all the point at which the tangent passes through the origin. Now come out to solution here. Implied that. Here you can see for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. So here I shall write the given curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. Find all the point at which tangent passes. Tangent passes. So we have to find out tangent to the curve. So first of all we shall find out the slope of the tangent to the curve. So here I shall write implied that y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. Again I shall write differentiating y with respect to x. Here we shall get d over dx of y equal to 4 dot d over dx of x cube minus 2 dot d over dx of x raised to the power 5. We shall get. Here you can see in center function y is available. So d will be conjugated if y comes out to be dy over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to 4 dot d over dx of x cube comes out to be 4. I shall write in bracket d over dx of x cube comes out to be 3x square minus 2. I shall write in bracket d over dx of x raised to the power 5 comes out to be 5x raised to the power 4. So here again I shall write dy over dx equal to 4 3 is 12 x square I shall get minus 2 5 is 10 x raised to the power 4 we have got. Here again I shall write implied that the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to dy over dx equal to 12 x raised to the power 4 12x square minus 10 x raised to the power 4. Here we have got the slope of the tangent to the curve dy over dx equal to 4x square minus 10 x raised to the power 4. Now the equation of tangent I shall write the slope of the tangent to the curve dy over dx at point xy. Here dy over dx we have got at point xy. The slope of the tangent to the curve equal to dy over dx at point xy equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to the power 4. Dy over dx at point xy. We have got this one. Now I shall write at the point xy the equation of the tangent. This is the formula you must know. At the point xy, the equation of the tangent, I shall write implied that y minus capital Y minus small y equal to m capital X minus x. This is the same equation, general equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 equal to m in bracket x minus x1. So here at the point xy, I have maintained this one xy and this one. Since the tangent passes through the origin. Since the tangent passes through the origin, hence capital X equal to capital I, y equal to 0. This thing we have got. So here I shall write implied that y minus small I equal to here m. Here m is the slope of the tangent at point xy. So here you have got dy over dx equal to 12x square minus 10x dot x raised to power 4 at point xy. The value of m will be x square minus 10 x raised to the power 4. This is the value of slope of the tangent at point xy. In bracket I shall write capital X. The value of capital X you have got equal to 0, so here write 0 minus small x. This thing you have got. So now do this operation here. So here value of capital Y you have got here 0. So here I shall write minus y equal to, here minus x will get enter inside. You will get here, take here minus 1 as a common. So in bracket we shall get x will multiply to 12x square. So here we shall get 12 x raised to the power cube minus 10 x raised to the power 5. This thing we have got. 12x cube minus 10 x raised to the power 5. This thing we have got. So here we shall get implied that y equal to 12 x cube minus 10 x raised to the power 5. This thing we have got. Now value of y I shall take from this place. Y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. So put the value of y here. So here I shall write 12, not 12, 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5 equal to 12 x cube minus 10 x raised to the power 5. Just simplify this one. On simplification, here we shall get 4 x cube minus 12 x raised to the power 3 minus 2 x raised to the power 5 plus 10 x raised to the power 5 comes out to be 0. This thing we have got. Again I shall write implied that 4x cube minus 12x cube comes out to be minus 8 x cube minus 2 x raised to power 5 plus 10 x raised to power 5 comes out to be plus 8 x raised to the power 5 equal to 0. Now what to do here? Here I shall take common 8 x raised to the power 3. So here take common 8 x raised to the power 3. In bracket I shall write minus 1 plus we shall get x square equal to 0. So we have got here implied that x cube dot in bracket x square minus 1 comes out to be 0. This thing we have got. Because 8 will be shifted to right hand side, comes out to be 0 over 8, 0. So here you will get implied that x cube is equal to 0, implied that x equal to 0. And x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So we shall get x square is equal to 1, implied that x is equal to plus minus 1. The value of x we have got 0. Again value of x we have got minus 1 plus 1. So here we have got implied that x equal to 0, comma, minus 1, comma, plus 1. 3 value of x we have got 0, minus 1, plus 1. Now what we will do next? First of all, take x equal to 0. To put x equal to 0, get the value of y. So here again I shall write when x equal to 0, implied that y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to the power 5. We shall get y equal to 4 0 minus 2 0 comes out to be y equal to 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, we have got 1 point. When x is equal to minus 1, implies that y equal to, put here in place of x minus 1. So here I shall write 4 in bracket minus 1 raised to the power 3 minus 2. Here write minus 1 raised to the power 5 comes out to be y equal to. Here you will get minus 1 raised to power 3 comes out to be minus 1. Here you will get minus 4. Here minus 2 is there. Minus 1 raised to power 5 comes out to be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 multiply, we will get here plus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 we shall get. Here you get minus 4. So here we will get y equal to minus 2. The value of y you have got minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. This thing. When I shall write x equal to 1, so we shall get y equal to 4. In place of x I shall write 1 raised to power 3 minus 2 1 raised to power 5, imply that y equal to 4 minus 2 comes out to be y equal to 2. This thing I have got. This is 2. So here I imply that the point zero comma 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, point 0 0. Here we shall get the point abscissa minus 1, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. So here write minus 2. Here again I shall write the point x equal to 1, abscissa 1, ordinate y equal to 2, right here 2. The one point we have got 0 0, second point we have got minus 1 minus 2, third point we have got 1 2. So here the question is asked here, find all the point at which the points will be. Here I shall write, hence the desired point we have got 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 2. The desired points 0 0, minus 1 minus 2, 1 2. This will be the correct answer we have. The desired point 0 0, minus 1 minus 2, 1 2. This will be the correct answer we have got. This is the complete solution of question number 18 that has been taken from exercise 6.3, chapter 6, application of derivative, subsection tangent and angle, in which the correct answer we have got the desired points 0 0, minus 1 minus 2 and 1 2. That will be the correct answer we have got. Here at the point xy, the equation of tangent, general equation of tangent comes out to be capital Y minus y equal to m, capital X minus x. Since this tangent equation is passing through the origin, that's why a capital Y will be 0, a capital X will comes out to be 0. A point at which the slope of the tangent we have taken comes out to be xy, small x, small y, that will be the point. So be careful while solving this type of questions. Okay guys, thanks.